स्टूडेंट देखिए, टॉपिक चल रहा है आपका गाइडेंस फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग SAA, यानी कि सर्विस एरिया अप्रोच। इसके 2 पॉइंट्स को हम पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, यानी आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड एलोकेशन ऑफ सर्विस एरिया। सर्विस एरिया को आइडेंटिफाई करना एंड एलोकेट करना, और सर्वे ऑफ विलेज। अब जैसे इसका नंबर 3 पॉइंट आता है, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्रेडिट प्लान। देखिए, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ क्रेडिट प्लान एज डिस्कस बिलो, these are 4 points of preparation of credit plan. First, village credit plan VCP. देखिए, village credit plan it means the service area branch must prepare a separate credit plan annually for each village allotted to it by reflecting on the credit needs and potentials of the area. Preparation of the village credit plan should be based on the village profiles, information from developmental agencies, targets under various government schemes, background papers of lead bank which give information of ongoing development schemes, lending programs of other agencies, standard schemes for different activities, and potential linked credit plan of NABARD, including block-wise potential or feasible activities. This is the village credit plan. Mainly विलेज प्रोफाइल को डेवलपमेंट करना, आपको विकसित करना। नंबर सेकंड, ब्रांच क्रेडिट प्लान एंड विलेज क्रेडिट, यानी BCP एंड VCP. It means every branch manager is required to identify activities having potential for development in service area village. The number of units that could be sustained with available infrastructure to make an estimate of credit needs and to phase them out according to the availability of resources. For each village, any BARD service area branch had to prepare a BCP on an annual basis. The integrated BCP of all be allotted villages would from the branch credit plan. Advances for the both priority and non-priority sectors had to covered under BCP. BCP approved by the controlling office of the bank became the performance budget of branch. स्टूडेंट, जो ब्रांच मैनेजर होता है वो ग्रामीण विलेज एरिया को डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़ लागू करता है, जिससे ग्रामीण क्षेत्र का डेवलपमेंट हो सके। नेक्स्ट, नंबर 3, ब्लॉक क्रेडिट प्लान VCP. देखिए, BCP इज अप्रूव्ड बाय द कंट्रोलिंग ऑफिस had to the discussed at the forum of block level bankers. यानी ब्लॉक क्रेडिट प्लान को जो कंट्रोलिंग रहती है वो बैंकिंग ऑफिसर्स की रहती है, ब्लॉक लेवल्स की रहती है, कमेटीज़ फाइनलाइज्ड BCPs की रहती है। सच एग्रीगेटिंग had to the done only in respect of priority sector advances. Next, district credit plan. The lead bank prepared district credit plans by integrating the service area plans of individual branches and leading programs for the priority sector. The lead bank prepared district credit plans by the integrating the service area plans of individual branches and lending program for the priority sectors. Last, coordination and monitoring. Block level bankers committees BLBC had to coordinate and monitor lending under service area. Planning. All the banks operating in the block, including cooperatives, LDO of the RBI, BDO and officials of the development departments, were number of BLBC. Representative of Panchayat Samiti might also be the invite to attend the meeting. Lead bank officer would be the chairman of the BLBC. BLBC had to monitor the review plan implementation in its quarterly meeting. In the district, the land bank office had to function in close coordination with NABARD office. At the district level, District Consultative Committee DCC and District Level Review Committee DLRC were the designated agencies. DCC meet in every 3 months under the chairmanship of the district collector DM with the lead bank manager as the governor मेजर बैंक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. यानी कि डीएम के समकक्ष एक मीटिंग होती है जहाँ पर बीडीओ ग्राम पंचायत को लेकर के उसके डेवलपमेंट के लेकर के विलेजेस एरिया को मीटिंग करते हैं. पूरी एक समिति बनी होती है और समिति के तहत ग्रामीण क्षेत्र का डेवलपमेंट होता है. नाबार्ड एंड आरबीआई representative district officials of DRDA, GIC and Agriculture Department are number of his committee. The 2-hour meeting of the committee would review जैसे कि monitoring the flow of credit especially to priority sector, implementation of government schemes, coordinating the activities of the various departments and banks. DLRC is high level body and include the people representative MLAs and MPs. ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में कुछ विधायकी लेवल से डेवलपमेंट होता है, कुछ सांसद लेवल से, कुछ ग्राम प्रधान. हर किसी का कोटा अपना अलग अलग होता है जिसके तहत ग्रामीण क्षेत्र का डेवलपमेंट होता है. MPs apart from the member of the DCC, a full day meeting was to be conducted in which each development sector was discussed in detail. The LBO has to obtain information relating to the credit plan of each service area. Agency wise and to furnish the same to the National Bank office at quarterly intervals. Based on this information, the National Bank had to evaluate the performance of each service area credit plan and provide useful feedback to the controlling office concerned. The National Bank had to prepare comprehensive review of the performance of each credit agency in the district on a quarterly basis and furnish on the same to the RBI. स्टूडेंट ये इसके गाइडलाइंस थी या सर्विस एरिया अप्रोच को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए. Service area approach introduced in April 1989 in order to bring about an orderly and planned development of rural and semi-urban areas of the country. Was extended to all Indian scheduled commercial bank, including regional rural banks. Under the SA service area approach, all rural and semi-urban branches of banks are allocated specific villages, generally in geographical contiguous areas, the overall development and the credit needs of which were to be taken care of by the respective branches. The scheme has been reviewed by the Reserve Bank and it has been decided dispense with the restrictive provision of the scheme while retaining the positive feature of SAA such as credit planning and monitoring of the credit purveyance. Accordingly, the following changes have been made in the scheme, which will effective from 8 December 2004. The allocation of villages among the rural and semi-urban branches of banks shall not be applicable for lending except under government-sponsored scheme. Consequently, the requirement of obtaining no due certificate from the service area branch for lending by the non-service area branch would also stand dispensed with. Annual credit plans will be based on the potential linked plans PLPs prepared by the NABARD. The branch credit plan would be aggregated by the BLBC, Governor Bank into block credit plan. स्टूडेंट आज हमने इसकी गाइडलाइंस के बारे में डिस्कस किया. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट. कल नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा.